I'm gonna do kind of a vlog style pack and travel with me for Los Angeles, California. Today is the actual day where I'm leaving for California. I literally packed with you guys. I didn't go too in depth with the packing, but it's kind of like the travelist packing spring break feel, which I'm going on, this is spring break. But I'm gonna be doing everyday vlogs in Los Angeles on my vlog channel. Yeah, I leave for the airport in 45 minutes. So it's gonna be an adventure. Let's go get into the packing and the traveling. So this is what my suitcase looks like, and this is kind of the interior. And as you can see on the side pocket here, I have all of my socks. They're all in there. And then on this side pocket, I have all of my bras and underwear, which actually fit in there, which I was surprised about. And then there's this large pocket here which has all of my bathing suits inside, which I have quite a few bathing suits in there. You guys will see them all on my trip and in my vlogs, etc. This is kind of the outside. You guys have probably seen this in my travel videos before. I know it's kind of messy on the exterior, but let's be real. When we're packing, it's not always the cleanest. And this is just kind of what it looks like around it. So for dresses that I'm taking on this trip, I'm just taking this first one here, which is like this color black one that I got from Ramwe a long time ago. And then I'm taking just like this kind of plaid striped one, also from Ramwe. And for two of my jackets, the first one here, I just have like this denim jacket, jean one, and that has like these ruffles down the sleeve and in the back from Nordstrom. And then I just have like this kind of tan, lightweight zip up coat here. So then for kind of like active fitness clothes, I just have a pair of shorts here. I have like this yoga shirt that has like this open tied back that I like. I have some white athletic leggings, some blue leggings, this Nike tank, and then this kind of mesh workout top. And a quick tip for any of your leggings, I would suggest you would roll them into your suitcase because it saves so much more space and it'll just, you know, be more compact. And then for outfits, here's just a quick snippet of some of the outfits that I'm going to be taking with me that I kind of paired together. And I wore most of these on the trip, which you will see in vlogs and pictures. But yeah, these are just some of the outfits I'm wearing because the weather is pretty warm there. And I hope this maybe gives you some ideas on what to bring. And I would suggest if you're stuck on putting outfits together, just to kind of bring a casual outfit, a more fancier one just in case, and always bring, you know, a nice pair of jeans and some cute shirts to kind of pair together on any trip if you're going on one. And for some extra comfier clothes, I just have this Vogue t-shirt, I have this California Dreamin' tank, which I love, and also this California Dreamin' like little hoodie. And then of course I just have my PJs, you know, some kind of boring, but my PJs. And of course, you gotta have sunglasses, so I have quite a few pairs here. So now I'm just gonna quickly put everything into my suitcase. So now all of the clothes are pretty much added. I organized them in the best way I possibly could. And yeah, so that's why I kind of compacted them here, and that's kind of how I packed it. So at Walmart, something really cool that I found is that they had this pack already made up of all different products to bring. So I just bought this pack for, I think it was like $7, and has everything I already need, like toiletries in it. So I have that, so I'm gonna definitely put that in there. And then this is my makeup bag. This is all of the makeup that I'm going to be bringing. I'm not going to bring a ton just because of, I don't really need a ton, like, you know what I mean? But I do have quite a good amount in kind of like everyday wear. And then here I have all of my jewelry and brushes, makeup brushes inside of here. So, you know. And then for my camera, I'm going to keep it in this camera bag here. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring this with me as like on my carry-on or into my suitcase. I'm still kind of debating. So I kind of decided that I should do this packing video kind of vlog style because I've done many packing videos before, but I've never really done them in like kind of like a chill vlog style way. So as you can see, I have everything packed in this suitcase. I wanted to do a little bit of a carry on and kind of just a haul of what I'm bringing. Okay, so now let's get into the good stuff, which I still have to sort and go through. I did get this little, oh my god, I forgot the zipper wasn't on it. I didn't zip that up. Let's check out all of the stuff that I got in this bag from Walmart. So the first thing I have here is just some makeup remover towelettes. So I'm gonna put that into like a big makeup bag here. As you guys can tell, I'm so organized, aren't I? I also have this waterproof accessory kind of pouch. This is for my phone for the beach. We got some candy for the plane ride. Hey, some different snacks. I got some Gushers for roll-ups, which I'm gonna like kind of undo those and put those in like my carry-on bag and stuff. I have some Persitin gel. This is really good acne medication that I love. I have this little Fill Top bottle, which I have to actually fill with some micellar water soon. I have a little first aid kit because you never know. The Cheez-Its, but extra toasty. Extra toasty is always the best. Some Swedish Fish. We got some gum. And I need to put this on my phone. It's a tempered glass screen protector. And some craisins because it's healthy and really good. But yeah, those are a lot of things that I just got for the trip. Also, if you guys want to know kind of some different purses I'm bringing this purse here, which is like my little camera bag purse, which I think it's super cute. I'll probably bring my Kate Spade bag here, which is this really pretty pink color. And this will be good because I can put like a lot of things in it. And then I'll probably bring my little Michael Kors bag right here because it matches with anything, and I really kind of like the inside of it. And then as my wallet, I'm going to be taking this little Vera Bradley one here because I like this because it's small. And then we got my vlog camera, which I'm taking with me, and I can't wait because this vlog camera is going to have some adventures. So let's talk about the carry-on. So I'm taking my Vera Bradley book bag because this is kind of a really nice quality book bag and it can fit a lot of good stuff. So the first two things I have in here is just a notebook and then my journal. My notebook is kind of where I write ideas and all that kind of stuff, checklists, and then this is my notebook where I have like, you know, feeling. I'm joking, I'm not like that, but I do write things down. So this book is where I have my checklist for this trip, which is a really good tip to have if you're ever packing for any vacation or anything. I just have my packing checklist here, which I actually should start keeping this out to check things off. And I will keep my sunglasses in my carry-on bag as well, probably in this front pocket here. A lot of the things I just showed you will go into my carry-on bag as well. But a big thing in here is going to be my laptop, which it's charging right now. Something that's really nice to have in your carry-on is a little pouch here, which I have, and this is where I'm gonna keep like chargers, a portable charger that's currently charging. I have some little markers and and pens because the flight I'm gonna be taking is about a 5.5-hour flight. I have headphones because these are gonna come in handy. I have my retainer case with my retainers, and just kind of little necessities like a lip balm, and I have some SD cards in here because life of a YouTuber, okay? Oh my, I almost forgot a belt. So a quick tip I would say is that I would put all of your kind of toiletries that have like openings on them into a plastic bag because sometimes the altitude of the plane can actually make them, you know, explode all over, and you obviously do not want that to happen. So I've been just checking off things off my checklist. This is my little bag. It's kind of like finally complete. I have some snacks. And this is going to be my jacket that I'm going to keep in my carry-on bag, and I'm going to wear the jean jacket there. I'm going to show you guys my comfortable airport outfit in a second as well. And for my vlog camera, I'm just going to keep my camera in this little nice case here. It's going to protect it. So as you can see, here's my sister and my suitcases right next to each other. We roll in. Oh, okay. So let's look at my shoes here. We open up this compartment here. Oh yes, see that side? I just have a pair of sandals right here. I have another pair of sandals, also a pair of flip-flops. And then we have my gray kind of Steve Madden velvet shoes, which I'm in love with, which I don't want to pack too many shoes because my bag is, I feel like, going to be overweight and I really don't want it to be. So I think it's been eating too much food. It feels overweight. We may have to diet and take some things out. But then I'm just wearing my tennis shoes on the way there on the plane ride. Yes. Booyah. Now let's go show you guys my travel outfit. So for my travel, very comfy, cozy outfit because I'm going on a 5-hour and like a half plane ride is this kind of like, you know, pullover sweatshirt here, which is like this pretty blue color. It's got some ruffles, cute, my little Pisces necklace. Also guys, I did get my nails done. Aren't they pretty? Got this pretty yellow color. So then for my leggings, these were actually sent to me from a brand called Glyder, which I am in love with them. They are the softest thing ever. They feel like Lululemon leggings. I personally think these are better. And they're just white and black striped here. Ooh, you guys see that reflection? Oh. And then for the shoes, we got some Nikes because these are comfortable. We're almost ready to go. I got everything all packed up. We're ready. My aunt's gonna pick me up in a little bit and we're gonna load the car. Gosh, so we're in the airport now, and we're gonna check into our flight. We are getting onto the plane. Hey! You have to get me in this. And get up here. Now we're on the plane, LA bound. Olivia, Grandma. So we are going to LA and we're vlogging as well.
The airline flight number 185 with
and this is my view. I got the window seat, everyone. Oh, you're recording. So we're about to leave.
I'm really nervous.
She's basically on the plane for a while. Like, but I was just telling them, like, I went on the plane by myself last year.
Okay, Claudia, stop trying to look cool.
A good tip to have is have Apple Music or download different shows on Netflix so then you can watch them without Wi-Fi. So that's what I did on Netflix. Sorry. And then I also have Apple Music. So that's what I'm going to probably do on my 5-hour ride.
I don't want to worry no more. I just want to ball like the big leagues. I just want a nice house on the shore. I just want a big house.
How do you feel? Great. Look at this cool view. Alright Alright, so I hope you guys all liked this kind of vlog style video where I traveled and packed to Los Angeles with you guys. And probably by this time when you're watching this video, I'm already in Los Angeles enjoying my time, hopefully. And you guys will see those vlogs on the vlog channel if you guys want to check those out. But if you guys are not yet, subscribe to my vlog channel. Make sure you guys go do so at CloudVlogs972. Also, if you're not following my social media accounts on Twitter, Instagram, ClaudiaCasey972, make sure you guys go do so. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, then what are you doing? It's free and it's fun and you get more of me. So, subscribe. Be a part of the amazing family. Alright, I love you guys all so much. Chicas, bye.